I am a mom to 2 little ones, and it's so tough to try and discipline them, but not in a harsh way, and that's how I found the Goodtimer. It is a positive reinforcing discipline tool. How it works is your kids can earn tokens by lighting up their Goodtimer. So you can see the glowing light in the front, and that tells you that you are earning good time. If something were to happen, a tantrum, or someone breaks the house rules, you turn it upside down, and then you won't earn good time. I turn it right side up.
Let's go.
Yay! And you can decide how you want the tokens to work. You could use a token for a candy surprise, or that's his favorite, or a toy, or
yes, a toy,
or something that your kid really wants to do.
Yeah.
They are currently on sale at gogoodtimer.com.